Alrighty, so you can see we've got a mini slide hammer here that I've kind of constructed over a bunch of different other slide hammers I had, and I'm basically going to take the end of it here, and this is going to be basically where I put the tool up in the fender. This is the piece that's going to be attached. This will be attached like so. I'm going to bend this, cut this out like so, so that's about how big it's going to be, and then I'm going to bend it the shape of the quarter panel. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Alright, so here is the finished tool that I'm making for the fenders and quarter wheel lip, and I'm basically going to use this to de-roll the rolled fenders and quarters. So I'll show you how this works. So this was the best combination I could come up with for the slide hammer. Some slides in there, and the handle, like that. And then if you wanted to, you could put this at the end of it and use this, you know, the other way. It would still work that way. But basically, you see the idea here. This is going to go in the basically the lip of the wheel well. And I'm going to try to just gently pull that down. So we'll see how it works. I think it'll work well. I think the weld will hold up as long as I don't ream on it too hard. So yeah, let's give it a go. All right, so ultimately this is what I've come up with. This combination seems to be the best. I do have a longer rod I could swap this out with to give me more pulling power. I just had this bushing laying around, so I stuck that there, which kind of deadens the sound and also deadens the blow a little bit, makes it a little more comfortable. And then I also just wrapped the end here with some Tessa tape on the tip that I made, and that's going to just prevent any sort of well, it's going to help prevent any sort of paint damage that will be caused on the inside of the quarter panel on the lip where I'm going to be pulling down. So I'm just going to see how this sucker works.